Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of God. You know that Fatima school has started online class, and I think you are enjoying our class gladly. You also know that we are passing a very crucial time because of coronavirus. We are losing our friends, relatives, neighbors, and so many persons of the world every day. So it has taken the sound sleep of all the people of Bangladesh. But we have to do something for the prevent of coronavirus. So, dear students, before going to lesson, I want to give my identity. I am Asim Kumar Mondal, assistant teacher English, Fatima High School, Kumar. I will teach you today English first paper, English for today. My lesson number 6, unit number 4, and the topics of our lesson, the homemaker. We see homemaker all day in our house. They are our mother, father, especially. So they play an important role to maintain our family. So there is no doubt. So everybody know this. Now, for the beginning of the lesson, I will show you some pictures of this page. In the first picture, we see a lady is cooking food in the yard. So we can say this is a village house. In number 2, the lady is serving food to the members of her family. There are 4 members in this family. So we see such kind of picture every day. In the third picture, we see a man is carrying a box on his head, and there are many tools in the box. So, seeing this person, we can say that he is a carpenter. He is a carpenter. A carpenter is a person who makes furniture and other things of other. In the fourth picture, we see a lady is separating corn from the straw, and we see such kind of picture in the harvesting season in the village in Bangladesh. In the fifth picture, two girls are playing. The name of this game is Kit Kit. Once upon a time, we played Kit Kit, Hadudu, Daria Banda, Gola Shoot, and so many games. But for the influence of dish antenna and Android phone, the village children don't play such kind of game. In the sixth picture, we see that a lady is blowing rice. This is a very good picture. We see such kind of picture in our village. So, my dear students, we have seen six pictures, and now I think we can learn grammar and we can learn tense using this picture. So, first we can use present indefinite tense. The lady cooks food. This is present indefinite tense. In present continuous tense, we can say the lady is cooking food. In past indefinite tense, we can say the lady cooked food. In past continuous tense, we can say that the lady was cooking food. In this way, in the next picture, we can say the lady serves food to the members of her family. In continuous tense, we can say she is serving food. In past indefinite tense, the lady served food. In past continuous tense, the lady was serving food. In this way, we can learn many tense by showing these pictures. So I think you will be glad to practice tense by the way of showing pictures. Now, my dear students, before going to the passage, I will show you some new vocabularies. New vocabularies. First, we have a new vocabulary here. It is carpenter. A carpenter. So we can say a person is related with making furniture. Here there is a very good phrase. Live from hand to mouth. Live from hand to mouth. Live from hand to mouth. To lead a very poorly life or hard up. So here we can say a person who works hard from morning to evening and earns a little. With this little income, he hardly maintains his family. So we can use this phrase, he lives from hand to mouth. Here we have another new vocabulary here. Number 3, rain or shine shine here in a good or bad weather. Illiterate. Next, illiterate. Here, illiterate means unable to read and write. So here the person who knows the idea of letter is called literate. The person who have no idea of words or letters is called illiterate. So, my dear students, I will read the passage very slowly so that you can realize me. Here is the passage. Mrs. Nazma and Joinul Ali live in a small village with her daughters, Mitu aged 7 and Nitu aged 5. Joinul is a carpenter. He is hired by the villagers to make chairs, tables, fira and other furniture. He is also asked to do a small repair work. But Joinul does not find work every day. He lives from hand to mouth. This is the first passage. So my dear students, we see such kind of picture every day. It is a realistic picture of our country. In village and in towns, we see so many people cannot maintain his or their family well. When they can earn, they can serve food to their children. When they cannot work, they cannot earn, they cannot feed their children. So, for this reason, my dear students, to do something for the better future, you will come to school every day and you will be very punctual, sincere, so that you can succeed in life. So here one thing is clear, Mr. Joinu is a illiterate person. That's why he is unable to do any kind of good work. So we have to read attentively and we have to come to school sincerely and regularly. Now we can go to another passage of this lesson. Nazma does all the work at home from morning to night, rain or shine. Sometimes she sits with Mitu and Nitu and teaches them Bangla and English alphabets and some numbers. They don't go to school. Nazma could study only up to class 5. Joinul is illiterate. Here we have seen that the works of Nazma is not one. She has to do many works. She gets up early in the morning and does all the work of her house, such as when she gets time, she teaches her children. Besides, she has to do all the household works all the time. Here we can mention some work such as washing cloth, cooking food, looking after domestic animals, and teaching the students. So, my dear students, we have two passages of this lesson. Now, we can see the works done by Nazma and done by Joinu. We can make a chart of a household and the husband of the house here. What kind of work does a housewife? Works. Husbands works. Here, first, she brings up children. Number 2, looks after them. 3 number, washes cloth. Number 4, looks after domestic birds and animals. Birds and animals. Teaches the children entertain or cooks food, and serves it. Serves it. Number 7, goes on marketing. We have 7 words here. Number 8, dust the floor. Dust the yard. Dust the floor. Here the child of a housewife, husband earns money, buys food and other things. Teaches the children catches fish. So if we make chart of the work of a housewife and the work of a husband, we will see that the number of works is more of a housewife than her husband. Nowadays, we see The ladies don't stay at home. They are coming out from their house and take education. After receiving higher education, they are working different sector of Bangladesh, such as police, army, bank, administration, and so many places of our countries. Now, most of the teachers are female. So, from this passage, we can say that every student will go to school and read your lesson every day, because I am a teacher of a girls' high school. So it is my strong request to all the girls to come to school when it will be a suitable time for you. I hope you will stay at home and keep safe and sound. Goodbye.